Are you looking for an easy appetizer to make this Christmas? I got you covered. Let's make this festive and fun pull-apart appetizer. Start with 2 cans of crescent rolls. Cut each can into 16 circles. Arrange the circles into a tree shape on a baking pan. Bake for 12 to 13 minutes at 375 degrees. Now we're going to chop lots of veggies for the tree toppings. I like to use red bell peppers chopped into little pieces because they look like Christmas ornaments. I also chop up lots of broccoli and cauliflower to get the green base of the Christmas tree. And I use shredded or chopped carrots to add more color. You can use any kind of veggies you want on top of this appetizer. Now let's make that yummy cream cheese spread. Use an entire package of cream cheese, half of a cup of sour cream, 2 teaspoons of dill weed, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix it up until it's creamy and smooth. Now the fun part, let's decorate this Christmas tree. After it's done baking and fully cooled off, spread the cream cheese mixture all over the Christmas tree. It feels like frosting a cake. Then add your veggies in layers. I like to add the broccoli and cauliflower everywhere first to get that green Christmas tree look, and then decorate your Christmas tree with any remaining chopped veggies. Store this Christmas tree-shaped appetizer in the fridge until you're ready to serve. When you're ready to serve it up, just pull apart and enjoy. Hey, here's a recipe card you can take a screenshot of. Need more Christmas recipes? Check out my video on how to make Christmas sugar cookies. They're the best ever.